Meaning of disgust.
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 Disgust. Disgust is an intense feeling of revulsion or disapproval towards something or someone. It can manifest as a physical reaction, such as nausea or a desire to vomit, or an emotional response, such as anger or fear. When experiencing disgust, one may feel a strong urge to avoid the source of the disgust and may even feel contaminated by it. This emotion plays an important role in social interactions, where it can signal a violation of cultural norms or expectations and promote morality and hygiene.